Hey everyone, Hannah here, and I'm going to share my I Dig It activity with you for National Fossil Day or International Archaeologist Day. What I've done so far is just create a brown section of plain dirt, but you could also use a portable sandbox or anything like that. And I've spent the last few weeks 3D printing a whole collection of artifacts that could be unearthed. So on this side I have an archaeological dig site filled with bones and artifacts, and on the other side I have a whole bunch of fossils that I found online and 3D printed for use. Now I need to bury them so that they can be unearthed by our miniature archaeologists and paleontologists. Alright, I've finished burying all of my artifacts, and now I've gone in and set up our meter stick quadrat kit to help grid the space out so the students can easily identify where the fossil or artifacts were found. The only thing left is to get the students out here, so let's bring them out. So in that section of dirt right there, we have various things that have been buried that you guys get to unearth.
Here's the rest of the base!
Big, whatever you're finding.
School.
So there you have it. Hope you have a great time doing your own I Dig It activity for National Fossil Day or International Archaeologist Day. Be sure to send us pictures and videos of you and your students having a blast.